Revic develops and manufactures modern equipment for the food and meat processing industry. Introducing the Vacuum Paddle Mixer RX-3000V, a reliable solution for intensive production. Capacity is 3,000 liters. Maximum load is 2,400 kilograms. Powerful 30 kilowatt electric motor and vacuum system with Bosch 100 meters cubed per hour pump ensure efficient mixing. Smooth speed control and a robust stainless steel construction guarantees stable operation even under heavy loads. Revic, European quality and technology for your production. Visit our website to learn more.